What's up, everyone? After waiting for so long, researched so many stores, we got some Lorcana finally. And we have 10 of the Rhea packs that we're going to be opening for y'all today. So let's hope we get some good pulls out of here. Oh. Now, what? They're like all different. Well,
Joke's on you.
joke's on me. Hey, I didn't know that.
Regret. Not that it matters.
Right. I kind of like this that they're in these packages. All right, so we got two beasts, 3 Rhea, and 5 Queen of Hearts. All right, so we got Painting the Red Roses, Dr. Facilier, Minnie Mouse, Panic, Nothing to Hide, Donald Duck, Doc, Judy Hopps, Card Soldiers, Sorcerer's Spellbook, Arthur, and oh, the Dr. Facilier. Got the hollow. That one. Nice. We also got one of the 65 card sleeves from Target. The Mulan one. It's pretty cool. The back, I assume, is the front. Yeah. That's pretty badass. Second pack. We got the Queen. That's pretty cool. Croquette Mallet. Peter Pan's Dagger. Flynn Rider. The Basil or Basin. I'm not too sure. Magic Broom. Doc. Madam Mim. Queen of Hearts. Lucifer. The Cunning Cat. Dragon Gem. Ooh, and Minnie Mouse. Ooh. Oh.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful. This is such a nice art. Like, oh my god, look at the detail on this stuff. Wow. Zipping around. All right, on to Rhea, the last dragon. Let's see here. We got Sleepy. Nodding. Again, these art designs are so good. Marlin. Go the Distance. Nice. Radagon. Gumbo Pot. Nice. So cool. Hercules. Here, intro. Cruella de Vil. Bashful. Another Queen of Hearts. Gaston. And King Louis. And then Nothing to Hide. We got that one in foil. Alright, next Rhea. Let's see what we got here. Dr. Facilier, just non-hollow this time. Minnie Mouse. Panic. Nothing to Hide. Grumpy. Look at that stance. Tiana. You can fly. So good. So good. Pick a fight. Daisy Duck. Hiram Flaversham. I probably butchered that one. Namari. And Hey. Ooh,
Oh yeah, the chicken
the
from
chicken.
Moana.
Oh my gosh. This looks so cool. I think it's funny how they made this one too. That's great. Alright, last one of the Raya. Come on, get some blood. Let's go. Can we get a Sisu? We got Mulan. Legend of the Sword and the Stone. That's cool. I love that movie, Sword and the Stone. Such a good movie. Raya. Ray. I like how I went to Raya. Popsicle. Beast. Ooh, that's badass. That is pretty dope. We got Pacha. Little Pacha from Ember's New. Tiana. Merlin. The Goats. World's Greatest Criminal Mind. What? That looks so cool.
Where's Pain? We've gotten so many Panic.
Winnie the Pooh. And Eudora. I like the artwork though. Alright, now we got Queen of Hearts. Let's get some luck here. Come on. Come on! Our cat's like, what are you doing? Alright, we got Sneezy. Jiminy Cricket. Yeah, slow this guy. Boone. Voron. Cruella de Vil. Charge. Lawrence. Bucky. Yzma? Isn't that how you say it? Marlin. Mulan. And Magic Broom. Alright, next one. Keep going. So, thumbs up for the helper of Amanda.
I can open them.
Because you can open them, and I struggle bus, so you're welcome for that. Or else you'd be here for like 2 hours. No lie. Alright, Rapunzel. Who's go? The Wanted Llama. Peter Pan's Dagger. Enchantress. Duke Weaselton. Oh, that's cool. Last King. Come on. Snow White. Blue Fairy. Sword in the Stone. The Huntsman. Redigan's Marvelous Trap. And Bucky. Bucktooth. Alright. Next one. We got Winnie the Pooh.
Well, that's the one on the back.
Oh, is it? Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
it is. They did really well on these. Felicia. Bye, Felicia. Queen of Hearts. Yames. Eudora. The Magic Broom. Queen of Hearts. The Prince. Oh, look at that. Pain.
Finally.
Oh, right? Gosh.
Need Pain to go with Panic.
Need some pain. Can we get that in a holo? That'd be nice. Cinderella. Cheshire Cat. Ooh, that's cool.
It's pretty dope.
That is. I wonder if that one's optional as a holo. And we got another Eudora. Boo. Can we like?
Cat.
Huh?
What's the Cheshire?
from the shadows. Can we get this one in a hollow? Because, I mean, yo, that would look so dope. All right, second to last. Come on, let's get a big pool in here. All right, we got Grumpy. I'm stuck. Winnie the Pooh. Go the distance. Redigan. Basil. Or Basil. Yana. Lee Shang. Finally, we got some Shang up in here. Gosh. The archery instructor. Ring the bell. Fang crossbow. Tuck tuck. Goofy. Oh, nice. I like that one. And Yzma, but in hollow form. Nice. All right, last one. Come on, last pack. Give us something good here. Struggle busting over here, and it's already open. All right, Grumpy. I'm stuck. Go the distance. Redigan. Basil. Cinderella. Pinocchio. Nice. Is that our first Pinocchio?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, Mother Gothel. What? Maybe we might get something good in this one. Jinx myself. Ooh, mouse armor. Cinderella. Perplexing signposts. And oh, the beast in hollow form. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is a beauty. The beast. Forbidding recluse. All right. So out of all those packs, since we're not familiar with the prices, so we had to look up the prices. All right. So we got 3 cards here from those 10 packs that were worth a decent amount of money, and they are. We got Arthur coming out at around $15 to $20. That's not even foil. Foil would be closer to $20 to $25, I believe. So then we got the Cinderellas, both the Ballroom Sensation. These go around $12. So we didn't get any alternate illustrations or no enchanted, so maybe next time. But you know, super happy of getting some Lorcana cards, honestly, because it's been a struggle over here in Arizona. Gosh. But thanks again for watching, everyone. We got some more coming your way. Don't forget that like button, that subscribe button, and let me know what you guys think of these arts. These arts are really cool. Woo! All right, until then, see you next time. Beep beep.